Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you the best way to send money on Cash App without delays. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time, so let's just jump straight into it. So the best way to send money on Cash App without delays is to prepare your account and verify details before confirming any payments. You want to ensure that your account is fully verified and linked to a valid debit card or bank account, as unverified accounts are more likely to experience interruptions. Double check the recipient's cash tag, their phone numbers or emails, just to avoid misdirected payments that require correction. Be sure to maintain a stable internet connection when sending funds, since poor connectivities can cause processing issues. Also, avoid sending money during periods of unusual activity on your accounts, such as rapid transfers or sudden large payments, because this may trigger reviews. Keep your balance sufficient, or ensure that your funding source can cover the amount instantly. When transactions are clear, consistent, and within normal usage patterns, Cash App processes payments smoothly and, of course, without unnecessary delays. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.